KaziRa presents all about vitamins and minerals. Before that, please subscribe our channel and click the bell to turn on notifications to catch our next upload. Vitamin means vital for life. Vitamins and minerals are compounds necessary for the healthy functioning of our bodies. We need vitamins and minerals to help us grow, to see properly, to make bones, muscles, skin and organs, as well as to help us battle infections. Deficiencies in certain vitamins and minerals can lead to serious problems. The best way to ensure your child receives enough vitamins and minerals for normal growth and development is to provide a wide variety of fresh foods from the 5 food groups, including whole grain breads and cereals, vegetables, fruit, meat, fish, poultry, eggs, nuts and legumes, and dairy products such as milk, cheese, and yogurt. Water-soluble vitamins. Thiamine, also known as thiamine or vitamin B1. What it does for our bodies: helps release energy from carbohydrates. Is needed for proper working of the heart, digestive and nervous systems. Important for growth. Where do we get it from? Yeast extracts, for example, Vegemite, wheat germ and wheat bran, nuts and seeds, fortified bread and breakfast cereals, lean pork, wholemeal flour and cereals. Riboflavin, also known as vitamin B2. What it does for our bodies: important for growth and repair of tissues, especially the skin and eyes. Helps release energy from food. Where do we get it from? Dairy products, milk, cheese, yogurt. Yeast extracts, for example, Vegemite, egg whites, almonds, mushrooms, wholemeal flour and cereals. Green vegetables. Niacin, also known as nicotinic acid or vitamin B3. What it does for our bodies: helps to release energy from food. Important for growth. Helps control cholesterol levels. Important for nervous system and digestive health. Where do we get it from? Lean meat, yeast, bran, peanuts, tuna and salmon, legumes, fortified breakfast cereals, eggs, vegetables, milk. Pyridoxine, also known as vitamin B6. What it does for our bodies: helps process protein and carbohydrate. Assists in making red blood cells. Important for brain function and immune system health. Where do we get it from? Lean meat and poultry, fish. Yeast extracts, for example, Vegemite, soybeans, nuts, whole grains, green leafy vegetables. Pantothenic acid, also known as vitamin B5. What it does for our bodies: helps process carbohydrate, fat, and protein for energy. Involved in the formation of fatty acids and cholesterol. Where do we get it from? Yeast extracts, for example, Vegemite, fish, lean meat, legumes, nuts, eggs, green leafy vegetables, bread and cereals. Cyanocobalamin, also known as thiamine or vitamin B12. What it does for our bodies: works with folate to produce new blood and nerve cells and DNA. Helps process carbohydrate and fat. Where do we get it from? Found only in animal products, lean meat, chicken, fish, seafood, eggs and milk. Fortified soy products. Biotin, also known as vitamin B7. What it does for our bodies: helps process fat and protein. Important for growth and nerve cell function. Where do we get it from? Egg yolk, oats, whole grains, legumes, mushrooms, nuts. Folate, also known as folic acid or vitamin B9. What it does for our bodies: produces red blood cells and DNA. Keeps the nervous system healthy. Important in early pregnancy to prevent neural tube defects. Where do we get it from? Yeast extracts, for example, Vegemite, green leafy vegetables, whole grains, peas, nuts, avocado. Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid and L-ascorbic acid. What it does for our bodies. Needed for healthy skin, gums, teeth, bones and cartilage. Assists with absorption of some types of iron. Assists with wound healing and resistance to infection. Where do we get it from? Fruit and vegetables, citrus fruit and juices, berries, pineapple, mango, pawpaw, capsicum, parsley, broccoli, spinach, cabbage. Fat-soluble vitamins. Vitamin A occurs as both retinol and beta-carotene, which is then converted by the body into retinol. What it does for our bodies. Essential for eyesight, especially night vision. Essential for normal growth in children. Keeps the skin in the mouth, respiratory tract, and urinary tract moist. Protects against harmful bacteria. Builds immunity, ability to fight infections. Where do we get it from? Retinol. Oily fish, salmon, sardines, herring. Full cream dairy products. Butter and table margarine. Egg yolk. Beta-carotene. Orange, yellow and green fruits and vegetables, carrots, spinach, apricots, mango, pumpkin, broccoli. Vitamin D, also known as cholecalciferol. What it does for our bodies. Works with calcium and phosphorus to make strong, healthy bones and teeth. A deficiency in vitamin D can cause rickets, which increases the chance of a child having fractures. Where do we get it from? Sunlight, about 10 minutes every day. Cod liver oil and oily fish, herring, salmon, tuna, and sardines. Fortified margarine. Eggs. Vitamin E, also known as tocopherol. What it does for our bodies. This antioxidant may play a role in preventing cancer and heart disease. Where do we get it from? Wheat germ. Vegetable oils and margarine. Nuts and seeds. Eggs. Whole grains. Fish. Fruit and vegetables. Vitamin K1, also known as phylloquinone. What it does for our bodies. Essential for blood clotting. Where do we get it from? Green leafy vegetables. Broccoli and cauliflower. Eggs. Cheese. Wholemeal flour and bread. Minerals. Calcium. What it does for our bodies. Essential for building strong healthy bones and teeth. Helps muscle contraction and nerve function. Helps blood clotting. Where do we get it from? Dairy products, milk, cheese, and yogurt. Canned sardines and salmon with bones. Whole grains. Tofu and soy fortified drinks. Broccoli. Almonds. Chromium. What it does for our bodies. Helps with normal growth. Plays a role in controlling blood sugar levels. Where do we get it from? Yeast extract, Vegemite, Marmite. Egg yolk. Liver and kidney. Lean meat. Whole grains. Cheese. Copper. What it does for our bodies. Joins with iron in formation of red blood cells. Helps with the functioning of the nervous system. Where do we get it from? Oysters, crab, lobster, mussels. Nuts. Yeast extract, e.g. Vegemite. Whole grains. Fluorine/fluoride. What it does for our bodies. Helps with the structure of healthy bones and teeth. Decreases the chance of dental caries. Helps in the prevention of osteoporosis. Where do we get it from? Fluoridated drinking water. Fish. Tea. Iodine. What it does for our bodies. Promotes normal thyroid function. Helps brain function and normal growth. Where do we get it from? Seafood. Seaweed. Iodized salt. Bread, through iodized salt. Iron. What it does for our bodies. Helps red blood cells carry oxygen around the body. Prevents anemia. Where do we get it from? Lean red meat, poultry, seafood. Dark leafy vegetables. Fortified breakfast cereals. Whole grains. Legumes. Eggs. Magnesium. What it does for our bodies. Provides structure for healthy bones. Involved in the release of energy from food. Essential for muscle and nerve function. Where do we get it from? Milk, whole grains, green leafy vegetables, legumes, lean meats and fish, nuts and seeds, bananas. Manganese. What it does for our bodies. Works with calcium in the formation of strong healthy bones and teeth. Helps the body to store and use energy. Where do we get it from? Widely available in many foods, however the richest sources are meat, milk and cheese, eggs, yeast extract, for example, Vegemite, bran and wheat germ, nuts and seeds. Potassium. What it does for our bodies. Controls nerve impulses and muscle contractions. Helps maintain fluid balance. Where do we get it from? Nuts, yeast extract, e.g. Vegemite, dried fruit, bananas, bran and wheat germ, raw fruit and vegetables, lean meat and fish. Sodium/salt. What it does for our bodies. Controls nerve impulse transmission. Helps maintain water balance. Where do we get it from? Foods high in sodium are processed or commercial products. Table, sea, and vegetable salt. Sauces and stocks. Yeast extract, for example, Vegemite. Processed meats, ham, Devon, salami, cheese, bread. I ask 3 favors. Please subscribe, share it with your friends and family and give like. Thanks for watching.